Okay, here is how you can share your video with me. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is you're going to go to home, which is what we already are at. Okay, scroll down, find your video. Okay, when you open up your video, you're going to see close and finish up on the top right. Click finish. All right, and then this is all fine. The automatic things that populate should be fine. So just leave it the way it is. And then you're going to click export. Okay, now it's telling me this is going to be probably about 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause on the screencast and start up again in a moment. Now you can see that it has come up with a link for me. So I'm not sure if you can share the link and everyone be able to view it. But so you could copy the link and try to email it to me. But what I actually want you to do is I want you to click on this down arrow. That means download. And when you download, you're going to see it come to the bottom left-hand corner. Okay, when you click on it, it will open up the video. However, on a Chromebook, it's going to go to your downloads. So then what you'll do is you'll go to your email and compose an email to me. So just start typing in HNUC, that's me, Hyena, video. Okay, and then you're going to click on to the attach, which is the paperclip down here. And then it should be on the top of your downloads. And those should just pop up. Click on it, attach it, and presto, all set. And you will see here it is. I got it. All right, thanks guys.